everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your language in your Bifrost application. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your language on Bifrost Wallet, firstly open your Bifrost application. The home page of Bifrost will appear on the screen. Click on Settings option on the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down to Language and tap on it. Choose the language you want to change, and this is how you can change your language on Bifrost Wallet quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.